Okay guys, it's a moment we've been looking forward to. We're going to try to hang these 10 by 10 steel doors. As you can see, we got it, we made provisions to be able to hook the chain to them. Matthew's going to pick them up and slide them over there. And like always, this is not a how-to video. Disclaimer, this is how we did it, okay? So whatever you do is on you. We're doing what we do. But we appreciate you watching, and let's see if we can get it in the hole, and then we got to take some time and get it squared and plumbed and level where we want it, and then we'll attach our hinges. So thanks for watching, and let's get to it. There we go, folks. One 10-foot kiln door. Granted, it needs a lot of massaging. Gotta get all the gaskets and stuff on it, but right now we're just tickled that it's hung and it swings. All this blocking up here is just temporary, so we can get the door hung. That swings really good. I mean, that's definitely gonna need something to close. Phew! I feel better. That's something Matthew and I've been thinking and dreaming on for a couple months, and it's standing here. Oh, that was a lot. Still wearing shoes. Still shoes again. Let me get one of our handles. Goddamn paint wet. That's big. Here's our door locks. Here are old flywheels off a couple old compressors I had laying around. We just wanted something different, so we'll be different. Need to put this one on the bottom and the other one on the top.
That's what I was about to say.
This has got a lot more thread. There we go. There we go. That don't get no tighter once we get our seal behind that.
Yeah.
That'd be.
It's holding it out good. It can flex in still because we don't have that blocking behind it. Get the blocking in, it should be great.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna finish up this video here. You can see behind me, our doors are hung. To be honest with you, it wasn't near as bad as Matthew and I had imagined. On the top rail, before we finished, we welded 2 bolts on and we was able to hook a chain to it. You've seen in the video where we just lifted it up, walked it over here and set it down. The only modification we had to make to the building is we had a triple 2 to 6 right here, but these last bolts wasn't going to quite hit the right spot, so we ended up putting a little bit of extra blocking in just to make sure they got a good mounting point. We made our latches here out of these are actually compressor flywheels. There's another one goes up here. It hasn't been put on yet, but they turned out very well. I'm quite pleased with them. They're plenty strong enough. I think they'll last. They'll do the job. If you would, stay tuned. You'll be seeing more. We'll be having them spray foamed and getting this unit wrapped up. But we appreciate you watching. And if you would, take the opportunity to like, subscribe, and share. We'd greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you back at the mill.